Hello everyone, welcome to TAXter, your virtual tax and investment partner. Whether you are a salaried employee, self-employed professional, business owner, or finance enthusiast, if you are looking to make sense of taxes and money matters, you have come to the right place. At TAXter, we break down the complexities of income tax, GST, and investment planning to make them simple and accessible for everyday Indians. Whether you are trying to figure out how to file your ITR, understand which deductions you are eligible for, or respond to a tax notice, don't worry, we have got your back. Running a small business, we'll guide you through GST registration, filing returns, and staying compliant without the stress. And when it comes to building wealth, we don't just give generic advice. We help you make smart investment decisions that align with your personal goals and the bigger economic picture. So that's about what we do at TAXter. And now coming to this channel, through this channel we bring you simplified GST explanations and compliance tips for small businesses, latest updates on income tax rules, slabs and government policies, smart investment strategies for short and long-term goals, insights into how the economy affects your money decisions, and common mistakes to avoid when dealing with taxes and returns, and real-life case studies and professional lessons from the field, easy to apply personal finance tips and budget planning ideas, and answers to FAQs and viewer queries about taxation and financial planning, and much more. So got a tax query or a planning dilemma? So chances are we have got a video or one is on the way. TAXter is more than just a channel. It's your digital partner for making informed financial decisions with confidence and clarity. So go ahead, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon and take control of your taxes and finances with TAXter by your side. Thank you.